Hello. Right, I thought I'd make a little video of this radio controlled plane that I bought for my daughter. She's very interested in planes at the moment. This is the Sky Eagle TR-C385 Piper CUB 4-channel from Top Race USA, currently on Amazon. I think it was £90 I paid for this. I watched a couple of videos on it and it's not a bad plane. So I thought I'd make a little video myself and get the message out there that this is a great little plane, so go get it. Anyway, video to follow.